In this video, we're going to do a case study on how Australian t-shirt retailer Threadheads grew their organic traffic by an astounding 6,000%. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So this is Threadheads, an Australian-based online t-shirt retailer known for their pop culture references and unique designs, working in a very crowded space, which makes their recent success with organic traffic all the more impressive. And what's remarkable about Threadheads is that they grew their traffic by over 6,000%, an absolutely incredible feat. If you want to read more about Threadheads and this case study, you can check out the companion case study at aioseo.com/trends. I'll drop in a link to that case study in the description below this video. So let's take a look at Threadheads' traffic. According to SEMrush, their domain started getting traffic in 2021. In 2022, their traffic bumped up a little bit. And then in 2023, they were getting 32,000 visits a month, totaling 387,000 visits for the year. And you can really see in the graph how towards the second half of 2023, things really exploded for them. And it's not showing any signs of slowing down. In the first month of 2024, in January, they got 273,000 visits, which is equal to 70% of their total traffic in 2023. Incredible. So what did Threadheads do that resulted in this astounding growth in traffic? So one of the big things Threadheads did in 2023 was target a unique audience with each of their collection releases. Between 2023 and 2024, Threadheads quadrupled the amount of pages on their website, which is actually not that unusual for an e-commerce company because they're constantly rolling out new products. But Threadheads took it one step further and grouped all of their new stuff into collaborations. They even added that to their navigation. We can see this collabs link up top. So when I click on that and check out the Seinfeld collaboration, for example, we can see this Seinfeld landing page with the big Seinfeld header here, big header image, and all of these shirts clearly targeted towards Seinfeld fans. And if I contrast that with, say, the Harry Potter collection, I mean, this is almost like being on a different website. So by doing this, they're able to cast a larger, broader net. They're able to go after fans of Harry Potter, fans of Seinfeld, fans of anyone they've done a collaboration with. So in search, they can reach people that are looking for Seinfeld t-shirts, Harry Potter t-shirts, and not just be competing for really broad terms like t-shirts or unique t-shirts or custom t-shirts. So at the end of the day, even though they're an e-commerce company that makes t-shirts, from an SEO perspective, their strategy is to go after long-tail keywords that are much less competitive. Let's head on over to the All Posts section of our website, and I'm going to pull up this post called SEO Conference. If we head on over to the right-hand column here, I'm going to click on this All-in-One SEO button up top. I'm going to click on General, and then I'm going to click on where it says Focus Key Phrase. So I have the Focus Key Phrase set SEO Conference. So if I want to discover some new long-tail key phrases or do some keyword research on what else I could target, all I have to do is click the button Get Additional Key Phrases. So All-in-One SEO has a fantastic integration with SEMrush, where you can get keyword suggestions right here within WordPress. You don't have to open another tab. You can do it all from where you're doing your work. Now, if you've never done this before, the first time you click that Get Additional Key Phrases button, you're going to have to link your SEMrush account with your All-in-One SEO account. If you don't have an SEMrush account, you can create one. If you don't know how to do that, don't worry. We have another video on this YouTube channel that shows you step-by-step how to do that, and I will link to that video at the end of this video. So as you can see, we started with the simple SEO key phrase, SEO Conference. And SEMrush integrated with All-in-One SEO is suggesting these additional key phrases. Also have SEO Conferences, SEO Conferences 2023, or also 2024, SEO Conference London, which could give you new ideas for SEO Conference Boston, SEO Conference United Kingdom, best SEO conferences. So we can either add these key phrases to our current post, our current piece of content, or we could just save them in a list to use later. So I'm going to go ahead and add SEO Conferences 2024 to this page. It's giving me a 42 out of 100 because I don't have 2024 probably anywhere in the content of this page, but that's how easily you add key phrases to your content. I'm going to close out of this modal. I'm going to go ahead and click the blue update button and save those changes to this piece of content. If you want a quick and easy way to find long tail keywords, one of the best methods is just to start performing a Google search. So in this example, I'm searching for birthday gifts, and Google itself will give you tons of recommendations. A lot of them are longer tail keywords than the main search you're looking for. So birthday gifts is not really a long tail keyword. It's going to be very broad. It's going to be very hard to rank for. But birthday gifts for her, birthday gifts for girls, birthday gifts for husband. So Google itself will suggest lots of other options, and many of those can be long tail keywords, or they could give you ideas for long tail keywords. The second big thing that Threadheads did is they implemented product schema and won a bunch of rich snippets in Google's search results. Here's an example searching for a Rick and Morty hoodie with a Threadheads listing coming up with a rich result. In January of 2024, in fact, they ranked for 11.4 thousand keywords with image-rich results. And to put that into perspective, in January 2023, a year earlier, they only had 710 image-rich results. So they went from 710 to over 11,000 in 1 year by implementing product schema. And listings with rich snippets get a much higher click-through rate than regular Google listings. They're also scoring rich snippets for reviews. So if we do a search for custom vintage tee, we can see Threadheads scoring a rich snippet here, and they're also getting a rich result for their reviews. So we're seeing the stars and the rating of 5 reviews for this listing. And in this graph, we can see that in January 2024, Threadheads ranked for 9,700 keywords with review snippets. All-in-One SEO can help you out with this with its powerful built-in schema generation tool. We can help you easily create product schema and review schema, all without writing a single line of code. In the WordPress All Posts section, I'm going to click on this post I have here called Men's Basketball Shoes. So if we scroll down after the content, we get to the AIO SEO settings section and go ahead and click on the schema tab. The first item you see is schema type, and this is set to product already by default. But if it was set to something else like web page or recipe, you can use this drop-down selector right here and choose product as the schema type. You can add a description of your product, a price for your product, the currency of your price. If you're having a sale, you can add how long you want the price to be valid to. In this example, it's not for a sale. We can add the brand and whether the item is in stock or not. You can put in a SKU here and an identifier type. You can also add in your reviews one by one in this section, including your headline, the content of the review, the author, and the rating. You can use the big blue button to add a new review and the trash can icon to remove those reviews. Click Update when you're done, and it will save that schema data. You can search our YouTube channel for a more in-depth tutorial on product schema, including how it integrates with WooCommerce. And the final big thing that Threadheads did to really explode their traffic is they grew their backlink profile to a record high, so they got lots of other websites to link to them. And this graph shows how dramatically their backlinks improved from 2023 to 2024. There are lots of ways to encourage other websites to link back to you. In the case of Threadheads, they simply created content that really resonated with their target audience. Fans of Seinfeld, for example, love Seinfeld t-shirts. But apart from that, you can also focus on 2 other kinds of links, internal links and outbound links. You can do that manually, or you can use All-in-One SEO's powerful built-in link assistant to build internal links fast. We're going to go under the All-in-One SEO menu and click on Link Assistant. And then up top, we're going to click on the Links Report tab. And then below that, I'm going to click the link here that says Linking Opportunities. So there are 20 different pages with linking opportunities according to Link Assistant. I'm going to just do a quick search for basketball. And I can see here on my men's basketball shoes page on the final column here, there is one suggestion. So if we click on the little link icon near the number 1, I can click on this tab here that says one outbound internal suggestion. So Link Assistant is saying on that text, also available in green and black, it's saying, why don't you make the text green and black a link over to your other page entitled Men's Green and Black Basketball Shoes. So instead of going through the whole manual process of adding links individually in the WordPress editor, we could just look for it here and say, add link, and then confirm and say, yes, I want to add this suggestion. And it's that simple to add internal links to your website using Link Assistant. The top 3 strategies that Threadheads use that you can emulate is they targeted long-tail keywords via their collaborations. They used product schema to win rich snippets in Google search results. And they used link building to get other pages to link to them, as well as having a good balance of internal and outbound links. And then on the flip side, there were some things that they got wrong. Number 1, check your meta title length. We found some meta titles that were less than 30 characters. Number 2, check your meta descriptions. We found some duplicate meta descriptions on Threadheads content. And number 3, check your header tags. We found some pages that were not using an H1 header tag. All-in-One SEO can help you emulate the top 3 strategies that they used, as well as fix the bottom 3 that might need some work. So that's how Threadheads exploded their organic traffic. If you don't already have our awesome All-in-One SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to get long-tail keyword suggestions right from within WordPress. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, All-in-One SEO.